Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are looking at the finished section, so this will give you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like. Now this video started at the Sun Coast Adventure Park, and this section of the road is, the highway was built over the existing roadway. So the two lanes that were here before were expanded to 4 lanes. And as you can see, it's a dual carriageway, and this will give you an excellent idea of what the road is going to look like. So it's 2 lanes in each direction. However, they haven't opened up the lanes on the right, so traffic goes in both directions on this side. But when they're ready to open up everything, it will be 2 lanes this way, 2 lanes the other way. Now this highway starts in Harborview and goes all the way to Portland. The section from Harborview to Albion will be 4 lanes. I've noticed from Harborview to the Yallows Bridge will be 4 lanes. And then from Yallows to Port Antonio, some sections will be 2 lanes, some sections will be 4 lanes. But this is a very nice road, and the good thing about it is you don't have to pay to use this road. It's not a toll road. And this road project, it's to build 132 kilometers of road. It's the largest road project underway in Jamaica right now, this highway project. Now the only other roads that are of this quality are the toll roads. There's Highway 2000 East-West leg that runs from Kingston to eventually Montego Bay, but it runs to Mandeville now. And Highway 2000 North-South leg that goes from Kingston to Ocho Rios. But those are toll roads, and also the Portmore Expressway from Kingston to Portmore. This road is not a toll road. And this road is opening up a lot of investment opportunities for the eastern part of Jamaica. One of the drawbacks to going to, say, Yallows or St. Thomas or Portland via this route is the road was very bad. And so people often didn't travel this side of the island. Not like you go to Ocho Rios or Negril or Mandeville. So now the finished section, one of the finished sections we have ended, and this section is now under construction. But we're going to turn around and give you a view of the highway from the other side. So this section of the highway from Harborview to Yallows is scheduled to finish in August 2023, August of this year. And the entire highway from Kingston to Port Antonio is scheduled to finish in 2025. So this section that we're driving on, the work was done by, or is being done by, China Harbour Engineering Company. Now this highway, it's going to be probably the most scenic drive you have of all the highways in Jamaica. Because the view from here, when you look at the Caribbean Sea, the hills, is spectacular. The other highways, yes, they're very nice, but the view isn't as scenic as this one. We have lots of videos up of other sections of the highway that's finished, and the plan is that they will open up the sections that are finished to the public while they work on the other sections. As soon as a section is finished, it will be opened up to the public. And remember, this is not a toll road, so there are no toll plazas. There's another highway being constructed from Maypen to Mandeville, but that's a toll road. So although 93% of the highway is finished, you're not allowed to drive on it yet because they have to finish the toll plazas. Although it probably would be a good way to advertise the highway if they had allowed people to drive on it while they're waiting to finish the toll plazas. A lot more people would get to know the highway and probably use it more. But they didn't go that route. They are waiting on the entire Maypen to Mandeville leg to be finished to open it. And that one should be finished by August of this year also. So come August, Jamaica will have 2 very nice highways to drive on. And it will definitely represent some serious progress in the country reader highways or road networks in Jamaica. Alright, so that's the end of this finished section. Now as we go around this corner on the left is another section to the highway that will join the road we just came on. So this road that we're driving on here will be removed and both sections of the highway joined. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Now on the left is where you would enter the Suncoast Beach Club that is being built, and as you can see it's right by where you go on the highway. So it's going to allow you to get to this beach club from Kingston very easily. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.